As the sun rises over the facility, the daily orchestration of feeding millions begins.
Worker B, can you verify the separation here?
Yes, Worker A, it seems perfect. The machine is running smoothly.
We're seeing consistent separation on the new line.
Good. Keep monitoring the fat percentage on the yellow belt.
Every batch undergoes grading for texture, color, and composition. Technicians use advanced sensors to verify standards before processing continues. The grinders process thousands of pounds of meat every hour, monitored closely by the floor team to ensure optimal flow rates. Silo 5 is running low, rerouting the paprika shipment now. Confirmed. Ensure the temperature holds steady.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Yeah. Flow rate looks good, moving to vacuum. As you can see, the analyzer shows excellent water binding capacity. Yes, the texture profile looks consistent with the target specifications.
Thousands of meters of sausage casing are prepared simultaneously through automated hydration and conditioning systems. Natural casings travel through a series of automated washing and sanitization systems designed to meet strict food safety standards. Continuous
Large racks loaded with sausages enter towering smoking chambers. Mechanical systems move products into controlled.
Automated systems meticulously control the temperature and humidity, ensuring perfect consistency for thousands of sausages.
The system analyzes thousands of products every hour.
The compliance data looks good on the microbiologicals.
Confirmed. We are cleared for release to the packing line.
Bring that pallet to Bay 3. Careful with the turn.
Copy that. Almost there.